This is how we started out. You see her all stretched out. She's a little thin, but I knew with just a little time, she'd be all right. Let's build, good people, let's build. She's nice and bushy. Whole lot of new growth. Just take you a spin around, let you see up under the canopy. Yeah, she filling out real nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in here, remove anything that's dead or dying. Hold tight, real easy, real easy. Just pair of clean shears. You want to reach in, remove anything, like I said, that's dead or dying. I remove anything that really look unhealthy. She'll thank you for it later. And just spin it around, repeat, rinse, repeat. Real easy, real easy. And just a gentle shake, anything dead usually fall down. You gotta reach in there and get some of the other stuff. Real easy, real easy. Okay, this will help with airflow, light penetration. Here we go. She's coming in at about 19 inches high from the soil. Okay. We got it right here at about 30 inches. I'm gonna go and get this other angle. Here we go. Thirty-five inches. This will fill up a 3x3 tent. We got nice tight internodal spacing. That's what you're looking for to produce a nice cola. As you can see, we got many. As we transition indoors, it's going to be mandatory for you to have some form of height management to keep your plants from reaching the light. You don't have to stick train, but you got to do something. I hope everyone creates the best week possible. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Bless.